So I think I can put this girl on blast because she's got a blue check mark next to her name. Okay, and she's dated several public figures. She tried to date me. She's dated several people. She tried to date me. I heard a rumor she tried to date Christopher Cantwell. Well, she ended up dating Stykes Hammer 666, which I think is pretty funny. And Stykes actually broke up with her. And like she's got this long simpy post about like, oh, I wish it's like, it's kind of crazy. Like it seems like she really fell hard for Stykes Hammer. She was really trying to move in with me. But what ended up happening is she said, I don't want to have sex until I get to know you. That's what she told me. And I hit her with my famous line. Oh, I don't let women live with me that don't have sex with me. She didn't like that. So she didn't end up hooking up with me. Thank God. Thank God Nikki did not end up hooking up with me. And it's funny though, like she just happened to be, when Stykes Hammer got arrested a couple days ago, she just happened to be there. So Stykes, I don't know, bro. Are you letting this girl stay with you when she's not sleeping with you? That's kind of weird, bro. But anyways, I just want to let you guys know, like, this is a perfect example of a girl that, like, only wants to date influencers, and she lives in her car, and, like, I think she's 40 now, and she's, like, just jumping around, and then she's posted stuff, like, her political beliefs have, like, one moment she's trying to be trad wife, the next moment she's a fascist, the next moment she's an anti-fascist. Seems like now she's hanging out with the libertarians. Like, this is a perfect example. Like, this girl is fucking, like, bouncing around every fucking where. You know what I mean? Like, if you look at her, you could literally look at her Facebook, and she's going to try to clean it up because of this video. Her Facebook is full of, like, left-wing memes, fascist memes. Hey, Dreg, this Dreg should date this girl. I really think Dreg should hook up with Nikki Turkevich, 100%. Nikki Turkevich or Turkevich, and people are saying, you don't even know her last name that well. Yeah, because I haven't talked to her in a freaking year, okay? But she knows she tried to hook up with me 100%. She knows when I was on Facebook and my name on there was Jordan Thorson. She knows 100% she tried to hook up with me. And the reason I didn't want to put her on blast, but like I keep hearing shit. Like somebody told me she tried to hook up with Christopher Cantwell. Okay, somebody told me that she tried to talk to Nick Fuentes, and like Nick Fuentes wouldn't even really acknowledge her. Like I keep hearing like this girl's trying to hook up with all these different influencers. Like what the hell? So like this is a female clout chaser, and we have female clout chasers like all over the place, and they keep trying to, if you have a platform, like if you're an influencer or something, and you got a woman trying to hook up with you, and she's been with like 5 other influencers, like the alarm bells need to go off in your head. Okay, now I'm not telling people who they can and can't hook up with. I'm just saying this shit's fucking weird. I think Stykes should be made aware of it. Stykes Hammer. This girl just kind of gives me the creeps, I mean, I'm just letting you guys know. And if Nikki wants to defend herself, she can do it in the comment section. Like, she's not blocked, okay? I don't block anybody in this comment section. This comment section is the fucking Wild West, okay? So if Nikki wants to defend herself, she can. But it's went from, she's went from, like, being like a Nazi to being a liberal leftist to being a libertarian. She's just bouncing all over the place, and she's doing this to hook up with male influencers because she lives in her car or whatever, and she's got like commitment issues, and she bounces from one to one. But I think she really fell in love with Stykes Hammer, and it looks like Stykes Hammer is not really in a big hurry to be with her. And Stykes said something cryptic in one of his latest videos. You do with that what you will, Stykes. If you wanna interject on this, I'd be glad to hear from Stykes. I don't have anything against Stykes Hammer. I think the next person she should try to hook up with would be Dreg. So I'm gonna tag Dreg. Dreg, this girl is the anti-centrist praxis. She is a living embodiment of the anti-centrist praxis. Dreg, I found you the perfect woman. She is the political compass. Her right arm is right wing. Her left arm is left wing. Her right leg is anarcho-capitalist, and her left leg is anarcho anarchy, communist, whatever, anarcho-communism. Yeah, so her whole body is the political compass. She's divided into 4 halves. She's the fucking political compass incarnate. Anyways, I just wanted to have fun with this one, guys. I just want to let you guys know about the background information that I had about this whole Stykes Hammer 666 situation. I know it's a gossipy video, but hey, you know, that's the type of shit that rewards me on this platform. So, you know, I'll fully admit this is a gossipy video, but hey, that rewards me. You know, because I'm in the situation. We get to make it all about me, don't we? You know, but I'm not doing anything worse than what Nikki's doing, right? So, anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next one. JordanJJereb signing off.